everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady.
And I'm Aiden.
And today we are taking on some big container gardens. Well, I went shopping yesterday.
Yep.
I went to Bell's and it's always the best experience. And I bought some big concrete pots, which you said, I can't believe you bought big concrete pots.
Yep.
I usually buy big plastic pots because they're easier to maneuver. These concrete ones are really heavy, empty. They're going to be really, really heavy once they're filled with compost and plants. But I think they look cool. And we're going to put them, not yet, because it's not quite ready yet, but they're going to go at the entry of the greenhouse and kind of be, I don't know, just extraordinary, right? That's the goal. So we are going to go ahead and finally, after over a year, pot up or plant the fruit snack columnar apples, which were given to us over a year ago to trial. I can tell you, based off of how we have abused them, they have a serious will to live. These are very capable apples because they have not been given good treatment. And they actually have apples forming on them from this year. So we're gonna go ahead and at least get these 4. This is what, golden treat. So we're gonna get these 4 golden treats planted into large containers. And then we have a couple of other tasks to accomplish. So stay tuned to watch our progress. All right, so our next potting mission is to pot up these Agapanthus that were planted in the ground, looking awesome, until earlier this week when I saw they were tilting over. And I was like, what's going on? And what was going on is that the stupid voles basically ate their entire root system. So I yanked them all out of the ground. They ate 3 pretty significantly, but you can see they still have some healthy roots on them. So we're just gonna not plant them back in the ground because the voles are outrageous. And we're gonna go ahead and put 3 per pot, and then we're gonna put those pots in at the feed tank bed, because remember, I'm trying to make this bed my South African inspired bed, and Agapanthus are South African native, and these are also very specifically bred by my good friend Andy DeWitt, who lives in South Africa, who I saw when I was there in February. And so I really want some of his genetics to be represented in my South African inspired garden. So Aiden just got the pots emptied out. I like these. These aren't what I normally buy.
Yep.
Because they're inexpensive for one thing, and they're lightweight. See, I couldn't do this to the concrete pots even when they're empty. So we're gonna go ahead and fill these up with soil cube and put 3 Agapanthus per, and if we have room, maybe we'll get squirrely and add a Mangave too.
No.
What do we have to lose? He says no. Look at him being the person of sense and reason. Ha ha ha. All right, so we'll go ahead and get busy doing that. All right, let me show you our finished containers. I'm really pleased with how these big apple pots look. You can see we've got this cool verbena, a mangave, and a couple of coleus, and then of course the fruit snack apple that I think is gonna be a lot happier. We did exactly the same combination over here on this pot, so we've just got nice matching pots at Dennis's bench. And well, I think that the apples are already like sighing relief. They've been absolutely abused, but obviously they're really hardy, awesome plants because they made it through, and I cannot wait to watch them continue to grow. All right, over to the Agapanthus pots. So hopefully they will root in and continue to grow. Agapanthus love growing in pots, so it's probably just a better long-term decision anyway. And now I know voles love to eat them. So in these I kept it simple, just Agapanthus and one matching coleus, that's Alabama Sunset. And of course my OCD does require that things be kind of equal, so we got everything centered in place. And then the two concrete planters, which are going to go and flank the doorway of the greenhouse, but it's not ready quite yet to be placed, so we're just keeping them here. We did the Pineapple Express Agave, Mangave with those little cute dwarf ones at the base on both. And then of course, two more of the Sun's, the fruit snack apples. These great columnar apples that I think are really gonna take off now that they have a little bit of room and some fresh soil. And I picked up these cool blue pots yesterday at Bell's just to get some of the extra mangaves potted in them. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these moved over to the fire pit. Well, everybody, I hope this quick video all about creative container gardening will serve as inspiration for you. And I'm wishing you all the very best for a safe and happy Memorial Day weekend. Thanks so much for watching, everybody, and happy planting.